Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to edit green screen on CapCut. Okay, so open your CapCut application. This is my CapCut. So you open it. So after opening it, come and tap on new project. Okay, so first and foremost select your background video. So I'll look for my background video and I'll select this one here. Okay, so I'll add it. Okay, so it's loading. So this is my background video. As you can see, people are walking here. See, that's my background video. Okay, so I'm going to add an overlay. Come to overlay here, then come to add overlay. But take note that the overlay you're going to add must be having a green screen behind it. So I'll select this one here, then I come and tap on add. Okay, so after adding it, I'll try to cut it or to trim it a bit. Okay, so that it's only the green screen that is seen. Okay, so after that, what I'll need to do is to come to the overlay, then I tap on it in the timeline, then I come to the extreme end here, then I reduce it to fit the video in the background. Okay, so after reducing it to fit the video in the background, I need to come here, then I try to fill it in the whole video so there is no space left, not like this, just fit it in the whole video. Okay, so when I'm done doing that, that's all you're going to do. What you're going to do now is to come and tap on this overlay, then you tap in it. Okay, so when you tap in it, you come and scroll down here. There are plenty of options. Come and choose cutout, then come to chroma key. Then after choosing chroma key, put it in a space here, not on the bird, put it in the space where there is a green space, then leave it there. Then after that, come and tap on intensity, then increase the intensity to 22. Okay, so intensity, let me leave it there, 22. Okay, so if I'm done, you come and tick down here. Okay, so we are done editing the green screen. Okay, so this is our video. As you can see, the bird is flying within the background, and it pretty makes some sense because that's how the edits are made. Okay, so that's how you can edit green screen on CapCut. Okay, if you found value in this video, please consider subscribing, and we shall meet in the next video. Thank you very much.